So for taking the derivative of these type of functions, we will be using logarithm, right, to base e. So y is ux raised to power vx. We will be taking log on both sides. So that log y is equals to log ux raised to power vx, and we will apply the formula log of m raised to power n is equals to n log m. So vx log ux. This will be the basic behind these equations. Now we have question: differentiate square root x minus 3 into x square plus 4 upon 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Right? So it will be easy if we are taking log function. Otherwise, how we can differentiate it? We can differentiate just applying the formula of root x. 1 upon 2 root x into derivative of the base function, where we will applying u upon v. We can differentiate it with our traditional method also. But if we will be taking log, then it will easy to simplify. So the first step, let y is equals to root x minus 3 into x square plus 4 upon 3x square plus 4x plus 5. The next step will be taking log on both sides. Okay. One more step you can write. It will be easy for us. We will write it as this is equals to x minus 3 into x square plus 4 over 3x square plus 4x plus 5 raised to power 1 by 2, because root x means power 1 by 2. We are writing this. Square root, I am writing power 1 by 2. Now taking log on both sides, we get, on the left hand side we will be getting log y. On the right side we will be getting log of x minus 3 into x square plus 4 upon 3x square plus 4x plus 5 power 1 by 2. Now we will apply this formula. Log m raised to power n is equals to n log m. So that means it will be 1 by 2 log x minus 3 into x square plus 4 upon 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Right? So that we can write log y is equals to 1 by 2 log x minus 3 into x square plus 4, x minus 3 into x square plus 4 upon 3x square plus 4x plus 5. 3x square plus 4x plus 5. We will apply two more formulas. We know that log mn is equals to log m plus log n, and log of m by n is equals to log m minus log n. If log is product of two functions, variables m and n, then it will be log m plus log n. And if log of m by n, we have it will be equal to log m minus log m. So we will apply these two formulas and we will be having log y is equals to 1 by 2. Log m into log n, it will be log x minus 3 plus log x square plus 4 minus log of 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Log mn, log m plus log n. This is m by n. So the term in the denominator we have taken with the negative sign, minus log of 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Right. Now the next step, we have simplified it, right, to the maximum level we could. Now after simplification of log, we will be differentiating. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. That means we will operate d by dx on both sides. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. So when we are taking derivative of log y, it will be 1 upon y, as we did in the previous, that derivative of log x is 1 upon x. So it will be log y derivative 1 upon y into derivative of y, which will be dy by dx is equals to 1 upon 2 log x minus 3, 1 upon x minus 3 into derivative of x minus 3. Base function derivative is equally important. 1 upon x square plus 4 into derivative of base, which is x square plus 4, minus 1 upon 3x square plus 4x plus 5 into derivative of 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Always we will be taking derivative of base also. So in the next step, we will be differentiating and solving it. So we will be having 1 upon y dy by dx, or we can write dy by dx is equals to y. Y we are taking to the right side, or we can say multiply both sides by y. So it will be y upon 2, right? 1 upon 2, instead of we are having y upon 2 because we are multiplying both sides by y, or you can say that take this y to the right hand side. Now 1 y by 2, derivative of x minus 3, derivative of x is 1, derivative of 3 is 0, so it is 1 minus 0 over x minus 3. So it will be 1 upon x minus 3 plus derivative of x square plus 4. Derivative of x square is 2x plus derivative of 4 is 0 over x square plus 4. So next derivative will be 2x upon x square plus 4 minus derivative of 3x square will be 6x. 3 as it is, derivative of x square is 2x. So 2x into 3, 6x plus derivative of 4x is 4 plus derivative of constant is 0 upon the denominator term as it is. So we will be having 6x plus 4 upon 3x square plus 4x plus 5. This is after taking the derivatives. We have taken the derivatives of each and every term now. Now, our entire answer should be in terms of x. So dy by dx is equals to, here we are having y. We will put the value of y in terms of x, which is given to us in the statement. So y we have taken in the beginning, y is equals to root x minus 3 into x square plus 4 upon 3x square plus 4x plus 5. The same value we will substitute here. Square root x minus 3 into x square plus 4 upon 3x square plus 4x plus 5. This is value of y, right? And before that we were having 1 by 2. This 1 by 2 as it is, the value of y, square root x minus 3, x square plus 4, 3x square plus 4x plus 5, which we have taken in the first step, into the bracketed term 1 upon x minus 3 plus 2x upon x square plus 4 minus 6x plus 4 upon 3x square plus 4x plus 5. This is the answer. This is the final answer. You need not to take LCM and simplify further. Okay, because the solution will get more complicated. So our dy by dx is up to here only. So let us see again. We have differentiate square root x minus 3 x square plus 4 upon 3x square plus 4x plus 5. One method is our traditional method. Take the derivative of root term and then take the derivative of base term. But the calculations will be more complicated. Therefore, we are using log functions. Log functions is we are introducing because they are helping us in solving the derivatives in easy way. So the very first step, let y is equals to square root x minus 3 into x square plus 4 upon 3x square plus 4x plus 5, which the square root we can write power 1 by 2. So we are writing that so that it will be easy for us to take the log. Now taking log on both sides. On the left hand side, it will be log y. On the right hand side, it is log of the full term x minus 3 into x square plus 4 upon 3x square plus 4x plus 5 power 1 by 2. Now we will apply this formula. Log m raised to power n is equals to n log m. So the power 1 by 2 we will take down 1 by 2 log x minus 3 into x square plus 4 upon 3x square plus 4x plus 5. So it will be log y. Now we will apply formula that log mn is equals to log m plus n and log m by n is equals to log m minus log n. We are having log y is equals to 1 by 2 log of x minus 3 into x square plus 4 upon 3x square plus 4x plus 5. So we will apply the formula. It will be 1 by 2 log m plus log n minus log of this 3x square plus 4x plus 5. So we will be having log of x minus 3 plus log of x square plus 4 minus log 3x square plus 4x plus 5, because this term is in the denominator. That is why we are taking the sign of difference here. Now, after solving the log terms, we will differentiate both sides with respect to x. The first step is taking log, then simplify log term as much as we can. Then after simplification, differentiate both sides by with respect to x. So when we will differentiate log y, it will be 1 upon y into derivative of y, which will be dy by dx equals 1 by 2. Log x minus 3, 1 upon x minus 3 into derivative of x minus 3. Log x square plus 4, 1 upon x square plus 4 into derivative of x square plus 4 minus 1 upon 3x square plus 4x plus 5 into derivative of 3x square plus 4x plus 5. We are applying the formula of log of x, which is 1 upon x into derivative of x. So next, this y we want just dy by dx, so this y we can take to right hand side. So y we will take to right hand side, so it will be y upon 2. So taking the derivative of x minus 3 is 1, so we will be having 1 upon x minus 3. Then derivative of x square plus 4 is 2x. So it will be 2x upon x square plus 4. We are writing 2x upon x square plus 4. Derivative of 3x square plus 4x plus 5 is 6x plus 4. So we are writing 6x plus 4 upon 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Now this 1 by 2 as it is, put the value of y, which is the given statement only, the given question only. Y is equals to root x minus 3 x square plus 4 upon 3x square plus 4x plus 5. into the solution we have solved 1 upon x minus 3 plus 2x upon x square plus 4 minus 6x plus 4 upon 3x square plus 4x plus 5. You need not to solve it further. You will write this answer up to here. This is the final answer, right? Any query, any doubt? Fine. So we will move to next question. Now, the question is differentiate a raised to power x with respect to x where a is a positive constant. First, we will differentiate it. Then whatever the answer will be, it will be our one of the formula also. Then we will keep in mind this as a formula. So the very first step is take y is equals to a raised to power x. Right? Now, the next step is taking log on both sides. We get log y is equals to log a raised to power x. Now we will apply the formula log m raised to power n, which means x we will take down log a. So finally log y is equals to x log a. Now we have simplified the log term. The next step is differentiate both sides by x. We get. We can also give it number 1. So differentiate both sides with respect to x. Derivative of log y 1 upon y into dy by dx equals x log a. What we will apply product rule, right? Or you can differentiate it directly. Log a is constant, right? X log a we are taking derivative of x is 1 log a constant as it is plus x as it is derivative of log a which is constant 0, right? So I have applied product rule. Derivative of first term, second term as it is. First term as it is, derivative of second term which will be 0. Now simplify. We need dy by dx only. So y you can take on the right. So I'm writing it as log a. 1 into log a, x into 0, 0. So it will be log a. Now multiply both sides by y. Multiply both sides by y, or you can take y to right hand side. By y we get. So dy by dx is equals to y log a. Put the value of y from number 1, a raised to power x log a. You can mention the reason from number 1. This is the final answer, right? So whenever you will be having y is equals to a raised to power x, then dy by dx will be a raised to power x log a. This will be the formula also for you. That dy by dx of a raised to power x is a raised to power x log a. But we have proved it here by taking log on both sides. Y is equals to a raised to power x, take log on both sides. So log of y is equals to log of a raised to power x. Power we are taking down using the formula of log. So it will be x log a. When log is simplified, next step differentiate both sides with respect to x. So derivative of log y is 1 upon y into derivative of y, which is dy by dx. Here we are applying product rule. Derivative of x is 1 log a as it is. X as it is, derivative of log a is 0. So we left with log a. Now multiply both sides by y. When we are multiplying both sides by y, here y upon y will cancel each other. We will be having dy by dx. And on the right hand side, we will be having y log a. We know the value of y in terms of x from number 1. So we will substitute the value. We will be having a raised to power x log a as our answer. Right? Any doubt? Then we will move to next question, x raised to power sin x. So you can solve on your notebook side by side also, because we will be proceeding the same way. The first step is let y is equals to x raised to power sin x. Say number 1. The second step is taking log on both sides we get. So log y is equals to log x raised to power sin x, which will be equal to sin x log x. The next step is differentiate both sides with respect to x. We get, so 1 upon y into dy by dx is equals to, we will apply product rule. Sin x as it is, derivative of log x 1 upon x into derivative of sin x is cos x log x as it is. The next step will be dy by dx is equals to y sin x upon x plus cos x into log x. From number 1, put the value of y, which will be x raised to power sin x upon x plus cos x into log x. And from, you will write from number 1. This is the final answer, right? So with the practice of 3 to 4 questions, you will be able to solve these type of questions very quickly. Y is equals to x raised to power sin x. The first step, taking log on both sides. Log y is equals to log x raised to power sin x. Then using the formula of log m raised to power n, we will be taking the power down. So it will be sin x log x. The next step, after simplifying the log term, we will differentiate both sides with respect to x. So we are differentiating log y, it will be 1 upon y dy by dx. Then on the right side, we have product of two terms, sin x into log x. So we will apply the product rule. Sin x as it is, derivative of log x, which is 1 upon x, plus derivative of sin x is cos x into log x as it is. The next step, multiply both sides by y. So dy by dx is equals to y sin x upon x plus cos x into log x. Put the value of y from number 1. So x raised to power sin x upon x plus cos into log x, right? This is the final answer. The whole exercise is based upon these type of questions only, right? The exercise 5.5. You can try the questions yourself, and if you have any doubt, we will discuss in next class. Okay, so we will be doing our class today up to here only. Any doubt you can ask me. Any
No,
doubt?
ma'am.
Okay ji, then I'll sign off the class. I have my next class
No,
also.
ma'am.
Okay ji, then bye bye.
Okay.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye, welcome. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.